Sadly, I will not be with you in class today, so I'm making this short video to go through what I would have gone through in class with you and to give you directions. So here, squirrel scale, how do you feel today? Feeling a little hungry right at the moment, so I would say 9. But also, I think I'm just sort of chill, so I think I might say 2 as well. But where do you feel? Take a second and figure out where you are on this squirrel scale. All right, so let's talk about today. All right, so what is going on? First, we're going to start by looking at grades, and then we'll talk about what you're actually supposed to be working on today. So, anatomy grades. These grades were current as of 4/12, Monday the 12th. We have 81 students in class total amongst all the class periods. So I just bunched everybody together. So from 95 to 100, there are 30 students in that range. So 30 out of 81 have reached that very high score. So that's awesome. And then another 22 students fall in the 85 to 94 range. So a total of 52 students have reached mastery. So bravo, that is awesome. Congratulations. And then from 75 to 84, another 12 students, 65 to 74, 6 students. So that's another 18 who are passing, okay? But then unfortunately, we have in the 55 to 64 range, 5 students, and 0 to 54, we have 6. So we really need those 11 students who are not passing right now to get work done and bring your average up. I know you are capable of so much more, and I want to see 0 in those categories for failing. All right, so let's continue. All right, so extra credit assignment. Let me just come out of here. Here's the extra credit assignment in Schoology. This is optional. Again, you can find the directions by clicking here. Here are a couple of help videos, all the links that you need. Remember, you have to sign up for which one that you want. Clicking here, right, and then choosing the one that you want. Only one group can do each of the dances. And then you would submit it in here. Each group member, as a reminder, all group members must submit the project. You do not have to be in the same class period, but you all have to submit the project, okay? So let's go back. So we looked at that. The marking period ends in just over a week. It ends on the 23rd. We will not take work after the 26th at 11:59. So it ends on Friday, but we are taking work, so you can turn in work Friday night, so after the school day ends, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and then that's it, okay? So don't forget, we have the quiz and the muscle fatigue lab that are due this week, all right? So today, if you don't want to work on the extra credit, you can work on missing work, you can redo some work. Some of you have horrible grades on asynchronous assignments, so you're going to want to redo those. So things that you should do. So check Infinite Campus. And these are the things that I would recommend that you work on. The muscle labeling project that was due before break, the muscle quiz, the lab report on the muscle fatigue that we gave you about half of the class period to work on, maybe a little more. Extra credit, the group movement activity, if you want to do it. It's only going to bring your grade up, okay? And then asynchronous assignments, do those and redo if you got any low scores, all right? So that's really it. So today is a work day, so you're gonna get started. So this was just a 4-minute quick recap explaining what you need to do. So please get it done. Let's end this marking period on such a great note, okay? And that's it.